How to fix can't see live comments on your TikTok live. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. And this video today I'll guide you through on how you can fix if you're not being able to see live comments on your live on TikTok. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. If you're unable to see the live comments when you press go live, so first make sure that you're updated to the latest version as well, or otherwise it might just be the glitch or the bug. Now, if it is not the glitch or the bug, if you're updated to the latest version, then you might want to check your settings. So all you gotta do is when you open up TikTok and go live, right? Let me open up TikTok here real quick. Open up TikTok, tap on plus icon at the bottom here, head into the live option right here. Now, once you're on the live section, whether you're mobile gaming or device camera, you're gonna head into the settings option and you should be able to see the comments option. So you'll have to go live, then go to settings, then comment settings, and tap on filter comments and make sure all three boxes are unticked and you'll be able to view the live comment. So this is how you can fix the comment not showing up, live comments not showing up on TikTok live. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.